Right now, I'm gonna show you how to upload branding. So first of all, kindly click here settings and then look for business profile and then upload your business logo. So click upload. So where's my logo? Here's my logo. And then can you change your legal business? So for example, my brand name is Mixify. And then update also your business email. Mixify official at Gmail. Ito. Also your phone number or business phone number. And then after that, if you have the branded domain, kindly put here also your website and then what your business branch. Then after that, you can update your information, right? So after that, go back and then go to marketing tab, and then go to brand boards. In brand boards, click add design kit. We need to start from the scratch. So click continue, and then again add your logo. You need to, if you don't have a logo here, you need to upload first. Then here click also the other one. You need to upload, and then as you can see the colors or the style, you need to edit them. And if you have a notepad, the main color of my personal brand is the electric blue. So I need to copy that. I need to change the name electric blue, and then the other one is lime green. I need to edit also lime green. Add for another color. It's up to you guys how many colors you want to add. Again, this is cool gray, and the last one is charcoal. To add charcoal. So this my branding color. I use AI for this charcoal. Right. After that, we have also typography. My Poppins. This is my personal choice. And also, okay, and the other one, yeah. So yeah, if you done, click symbol. But before that, kindly rename this to Mixify, personal brand. Okay, it's up to you then, guys. Mixify. So yeah, that's it. How you can set up or how you can upload your branding here in Go High Level.